Hey guys, how are you? Beautiful St. Louis day, actually slightly cloudy, but 26 degrees, got to be my favorite temperature. Look at that nice green lawn, just had an amazing bite in the background there. Anyway, just a quick update on Bitcoin. So 3300 was our target and it has been run on a short time frame Hunt Volatility Funnel breakup. So my view was a good idea to take a little bit off. Don't get me wrong, I'm a big fan of Bitcoin for the current moment, but I would argue that it's worth just taking a little bit off and maybe looking at some of the old miners, really like ANS. And I think that's got a chance for its 2x. That's getting slightly thinner now because last time I looked it was in the 3.9s. You needed to be in before to get your full 2x, but it's still got a target of around 6.7, which if you're buying at 40s now won't be a 2x, it'll be more like a 60 or 70%. But nonetheless, you can't sneeze at those kind of returns. So Bitcoin a little bit coming off now, so 3,250 after running the 3.3s. And as I would expect, post that HVF target, we had a melt up. Don't forget, we've had the better part of $400+ done today. So for those of you that are a little bit more active, you may look at just trimming it slightly. Don't panic sell your whole Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been the boss so far. Another interesting point though is the likes that Ethereum is starting to hold its own ground now a little bit better. The bottom may eventually be in. Certainly in terms of Ethereum versus Fiat, we've actually got upside HVFs. Upside potential break HVFs on short time frames. So those of you technically orientated, go have a look at your 45-minute chart. You've had a little performing mini HVF and you are in a bigger structure for one. So if that turns out to be, if I say, I'm not telling you it is, this is a probability based assessment, but if it turns out to be a good setup against Fiat, Ethereum could have a first setup in a new trend and could now for the first time be what I would be arguing slightly a bull call, certainly against Fiat. But Bitcoin could be running as well. The Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart is a little bit more mixed. So what we are going to do is we're going to check out if there's relative performance, overperformance for Bitcoin against Ethereum. For now, Ethereum's still slightly unders on the Bitcoin. Bitcoin having done $400, but it might be the beginning of early green shoots for the Ethereum, the early days. Certainly against Fiat, but maybe the end of the downside against Bitcoin as well. Maybe the alts will start to come back a little bit. Beware, we're not yet saying that. So we keep on keeping on with the Bitcoin strength, but I'm prepared to look at the miners now, the best of the miners. When I say miners, M-I-N-O-R-S, as in the minor altcoins, the smaller versions, where you can then get higher beta performance if you've got a good setup. Not every miner is in there. Metal's still a little disappointing, has to be said, but Neo with the ANS, the old name and shares, I do like, so that's my take. So a little bit of a long-winded clip, but just reaffirming certain things. 3.3 it was worth taking off. I tweeted through, so follow me on @theCryptoSniper because you just get these things a bit quicker. YouTube's take a while to get up, so follow on @theCryptoSniper for the crypto things, and it's also worth picking up @theMarketSniper as well, market singular. So those tweets are worth following, just so that you can get the quick snapshots, because I tweeted out that HVF. That's it. So Bitcoin good. I believe in holding a foundation of Bitcoin. I might just distribute a little bit and just get a bit bold and grab a few ANS. If, however, Bitcoin had a strong sell-off, this could just bring in, so this is a different scenario and you need to prepare. If it came off really hard, you could be in a situation where then it might lean on the alts a little bit and also on the miners. So with regards to my ANS, I have orders below the market if we have a sell-off to see if I'm going to get it cheap. If it holds up really well, then I might have to come in and enter the market. So that's the strategy. Also work your orders. Don't avoid chasing it. FOMO entries are crap entries. Avoid them as best you can. That's the update. Hope you're enjoying it. We're getting the people that want to appear in the backdrop there, and a little bit of St. Louis. This is where we're at. Typical US town. For some of you that don't come here, I might just do an update on just the interesting little geography. It's awesome being able to travel be a lifestyle trader. I want you all to get that if that's what you want for yourself. This is how we do it. So with that, I love you and leave you. Enjoy yourself, enjoy your weekend, and I will be in the airports and traveling soon, so I might be able to get some more catch-ups to come out to you all. Thanks very much, and if you like and share, it's appreciated but not required, and I don't like to nag people about stuff like that. So just have a cool time, trade small, be conservative with your trading.